Hey guys, today's video is going to be about a little technique that I've never done, and I tried it for the first time today, and I got to tell you, it worked like a charm. I have to make a pair of these clips, and they're already done, but I'm going to run one more just to show you the technique, and it's so fast and it worked out so well that I just had to share it. Now, to give you some idea how big that clip is not very big, and it's not very thick. This is actually a replacement window clip for a Fiat 500. And I am going to make this clip from this piece of material. It's about 1/2 by 1 by about 7.5 inches long. It's white Delrin, also called natural Delrin. And I'm going to use a technique, since if you look at this thing, there's inside work, there's outside work, and it's one of those, okay, we can flip-flop the clamps 99 times and worry about snapping cutters off, or we can get creative. So I got creative, and I'm going to share it with you. Let's take a walk out to the machines and take a look at how it worked out.
We're going to do the entire profile of the part, leaving the part connected to the material.
Okay, the finished part is 110 thick, and this particular cutout right here is 150 deep. So leaving it attached right here plays an important role, because we're going to mill this away, and if it wasn't attached to something, it's going to take off from the cutting force. Let's put this in the manual mill it away, and show you the final product. Alright, I took a black Sharpie marker and I put a mark right where the cutter came out. And what that's going to be for is just a visual reference for the center line of the tool that I'm going to use to thin this out. Now, as you can see, it's already been done. But I'm going to take this piece with this profile against the back jaw. I'm going to put a spacer block in here, and I'm going to take it down to thickness in one shot. And the pressure from the cutter, it's going to be a climb cut. It's a 1/2 inch 4-flute. The pressure from the cutter is going to keep it against the back jaw, and it's going to come up with a nice thin little clip for me. And I'm just going to use a pair of nippers to slice that thing out of there when I'm done. And let me set up a tripod, and we'll cut this out. Check it out. Okay, the material is secure in the vise. There is a gap where the cutter is going to go, so there's nothing here. We're going to fire this up, take it down. Now I think you can tell by looking at that part why I chose to leave the left the web in there. Had I not left that web connected when this part was done, it would have ejected and probably chipped the end off of it. There you go. I will take this over to the sander, actually, and sand this off to the radius, and we have a clip. That is probably the fastest way I would know how to do this, and boy, I would recommend that for anybody. That is just absolutely beautiful. That worked like a charm. Another quickie little technique for your toolbox. Thanks for watching, guys.